Fine. Very good morning, guys. So last day we have been talking about link, right? Okay. So fine. So last class we have been learning about link queue, how to write queries, how to write the queries. I explained you the syntax and how about writing the query. Okay. So this is what I just been showing you in the previous example. What's the project name? Collections project, right? So I shown you two things to you in the last session. How to write a query on an array, how to write a query on a collection. Both the two things I shown you. One query I've shown you how to write on arrays. And at the same time, I shown you how to write the query on the collection also. Yeah. So these are the two examples I shown you. One on array, one on collection. Okay. So now we have read all these things. Link providers. I explained up to link providers in the last class. What did I say? Array link providers are nothing but basically these are going to be libraries for writing the code. And what is the name of that library? System.data. Under that we have all the classes that are required for writing the code. So it is mandatory you're required to import it, but default imports are there for us in C# 10. So it's not necessary to import it separately again. So today we will conclude, we'll finish off the link today, guys. So have a look. I'm adding a new class here. I'm adding a new class here. Declaring one array, declaring one string array. You declare a list, no problem. You declare a array, no problem. Both, no issues. Okay, declaring one array. Now, I wanted to write some queries on it now. I wanted to write some queries on this. Some queries on this. Okay, watch. First, I want to write a query to fetch all the values of the array as is. I want to write a query to fetch all the values of the array as it is. So last class I explained you where is equals to from yes in colors. Okay, select. Yes. So S is the alias given. Yesterday from I. Today from S. Any name you give here. Yesterday the values are integers. I said from I and I is an integer. Today values are strings. From S I'm saying S is string here. See? What type of values are there? Your variable also will be same type only now. Your values are which type? String type. So variable is also string type. So this is going to fetch you all the values as it is right now. So it is going to fetch you all the values as is. I am writing string.join here. Remember this now? Last day we learned about this already. I'm just trying to print all the values on screen now. I'm trying to print all the values on screen. That's it. So all the 10 colors here, all 10 will print on screen. All 10. Okay now? So this is a query I'm writing to print all the values as it is on the screen. As it is on the screen. Next. I want to write a query now. I just wanted to write a query now so that it will print me the values in a sorted order. It will print me the colors in a sorted order. We have 10 colors, but they are not in a sorted order. I want to get in a sorted order. How to write? From S in colors. See, one thing I'll tell you. Up to here, all queries are same. Array, what will change here? Clauses will change. Where clause, group by clause, order by clause, the clauses will otherwise. Up to here, all the queries are same. No difference with this. Up to here, all queries will be same only. Are you getting my point? Yes or not? Okay. So afterwards, you just require to add your clauses and all the things there. But up to there, everything will be same only. Okay. Now, what do you want? You want to arrange them in a sorted order. Which clause? Where clause? Order by clause? Group by clause? Having clause? Order by. Order by. Yes. Order by yes. Select. Select S. You got your output in a sorted order. Ascending or descending are you got now? Ascending. Now I want to get descending. I want to get descending. If at all you want to get descending. I want to get descending. What to do? Order by yes. Descending. Select S. Already shown you in the last class, guys. Just we required to say order by and column name descend. Okay. So first I printed you as is. Second I printed you in a ascending order. Third I printed you in a descending order. Okay. Next. I want to get the list of all the colors. Just listen. I want to get the list of all the colors, guys. If the length of the color is 5 characters. If the length of the color is 5 characters. If it is a 5 character length, I want to print it. Understood? 5 character length. And remember, white is 5 characters, black is 5 characters, red is 3 characters, green is 5 characters. 5 character length strings I want. And remember, what is S? S is string now? And you remember string class has so many members in it now? Array, string class has so many members in it now? You can access all of them now. You can access all of them. For example, you see here, where S dot, the string class has a property called length is equals to 5. Select S. Is it clear? I am getting the list of the colors which are 5 characters in length. See there, green, black, white, brown are 5 characters in it. Okay, now? I want to get the list of the colors. I want to get the list of the colors which are starting with character B. Which are starting with character B. The colors that start with character B is what I want. Okay, now? Where? See, now you want to get the first character. You can write in variety of options. String class provides you so many members to you. We can utilize them. See here? String class contains the indexer in it. You know indexers now? Indexers will make your class to be like an array. So you can use that indexer S sub 0. I'm using the indexer S sub 0. Picks me, returns me. The first character is equals to B. Select C. Sorry, select yes. I'll get all the strings which are having the first character BC now. Got it? Or I can write in a variety of ways, guys. I can write this query in a variety of ways. Watch. Another style of writing the code. What? Where S dot simple English, there is nothing to confuse also. Starts with, we're going to check with the strings that are starting with the character B. I'll get the same output now also. You try to change a different character, but I'm writing up the same. You try to say A or B or something. I'm just using the same. Okay now? I can write where S dot index of P is equals to 0. Select S. Can you understand that? Don't read all. Just read that condition enough. What are you telling you? Index of the B should be 0. Means 0 should be in the first place now. Array, 1 and 3 are same. Here using index and finding, here using character, you are finding the index. That's all. Got the same. Or even, you can even get it like this. Where S dot, there is a method called substring. The substring will pick you a part of a string from a given string. A part. I have a string of 10 characters here. I want the middle 3 characters in it. I require to specify. What I should specify? Starting position, number of characters, not length. Suppose I want the character 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 characters I want. Starting position 2. Number of characters 3. 2, 3. So it will give you third, fourth, and fifth characters. But what do you want now? First character means starting position 0. Number of characters you want 1 is equals to B. Selectors. All are same here. I'm just showing you a different variety of writing the code. That's all. Okay now? Fine. Okay, it's for our sake. Now, I want the list of the colors. I want the list of the colors that are ending with character E. Not starting. What I want? Ending with character E. Okay, these 4 are same, eh? Just a minute. I'll put comments also there. Getting the list of the color whose name starts with character B. All these things are same. Now I want the first query. What is the first query? You are getting the list of the colors as is. Ascending order. descending order. Five characters length. Okay. What is the next requirement? Ending with character A. Listen here. You can write that query in all the four ways now what I shown you. Just like you got the starting character, you can get the ending character also in all the four ways now. Okay, watch. Option 1. Not the zeroth character, last character. Last character means, what is the index position of the last character? S dot length minus 1. Array, the index position of the character, last character, length minus 1 is equals to E. Okay now? Next. Just like starts with, ends with. Okay? Index of E is equals to S dot length minus 1. I said here 1 and 3 are same. We'll just reorder it. Just a second. Yeah, these two are same here, just reverse. In the first you are using the index and identifying the character. Here using the character and then using with the comparing with index. Array here, index you are comparing with character, here character with index. Now also same. See here also. And here also. Both are very same. Just like that we have ends with and now substring. Not 0, 1. 0, 1 means first character. What do you want? Last character. Last character means index position. Length minus 1. Last character index position is length minus 1. How many characters you want? One character only. One character only na? All of you carefully listen. I don't require to say comma 1 again. Why? There is only one character. It's an overloaded method here. If you tell the starting index position, it will return until end. If you don't tell if you don't want until end, then you can tell starting index position, number of characters you want. Array, right now there is only one character. So even I don't specify this also, no problem. It will fetch me the data. Okay, just a minute. This names, let me change. 8 there, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fine. You get the same output, see? There are 4 colors that are ending with the character E. Right? Blue, white, orange, purple. All these are going to end with the character E there now. Okay, next. Look guys, I want the list of the colors. I want the list of the colors. And the third character of the color should be A. Not first character, not last character. What is that? Third character. Third character should be A. Understood? So now to write this queries, I shown you 4 options now. In that one option is start with, end with. Array, that won't work now. Start with, you clearly understand that start with, end with. So that option will not be, but remaining 3 will work. Start with, end with will not work, but remaining 3 will work now. Okay, watch it. But now we are fetching what? Third character. Look guys. Getting the list of colors whose name contains character A at third place. It is at the third place. So let me copy these things as it is. And I cannot use this option I said here. Which option? Start with or end with option will not work here, but remaining all will work for you right now. Now tell me third character. What is the index position? 2. Now in the reverse, how you compare? Here A and here 2. And here, come on, you tell me now. 2, 1. Perfect. 2, 1. Third character is 2, 1. This is 13, 14, 15. Black and orange. I want the list of the colors. If the character contains character O in it. If the color contains character O in it, which place? No props, any place. See? Brown, orange, yellow. Character O is present. Which place? Any place. O is there or not, that's all. Okay now? So how to write this? Getting the list of colors whose name contains character O in it. Okay? So fine guys. So this is query number 16. Okay, look this. How to write the query? Where, what you want? Character O is present or not? Where? Don't know. Somewhere it should be present. Correct? Yes dot contains. Just like our like operator in our SQL, contains. Contains what? O. Select yes. Did you understand that? Let's see. Orange did not come, guys. Orange did not come. Why? You already remember condition checks are case sensitive. Condition checks are case sensitive. So orange, if I write uppercase O, only orange will come. If I write uppercase O here, only orange will come. But I want both. I want uppercase as well as lowercase also. Am I correct? So watch it. Yes dot where yes dot contains uppercase O or yes dot contains lowercase. Is it clear? OR operator. C# OR operator, not SQL OR operator. OR operator. And you're just going to get both the two things now. Are you clearer or not? See, another way you can try this, you know. Just a second. Watch. Another way you can try this is, this is 70. Where yes dot index of character O greater than or equal to 0. Array greater than or equal to 0. Index starts from 0 na. Existing means it will be greater than or equal to. If not existing, -1. We already learned about the index of method. If the character is not existing, it will be -1. Existing means it will be 0 or greater than 0. Somewhere it will be present, it will return you a value greater than 0. Greater than or equal to 0. If not existing, it will return you -1. That only I am comparing. Now also uppercase only you are comparing. You should again say or yes dot contains of lowercase o greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0, select yes. Sorry, not contains of here. I'm sorry. Index of. This is another way of writing the code. Same output only will come see. Okay now. And without another thing I'll tell you. Without again comparing uppercase, lowercase separately, you can try like this. Without again comparing uppercase, lowercase separately, you can try this. I shown you this already. S dot to upper of. You can convert the whole string into uppercase and compare with an uppercase character. You can convert the whole string into uppercase and then compare with an uppercase character, or convert into lowercase and compare with a lowercase character also. Or otherwise, see, here I'm trying in a different way, see. S dot to lower of, to upper of or to lower of, anything, no problem. You can convert into uppercase and compare with uppercase, convert into lowercase and compare with lowercase string you want. Okay. So you get the same output in all the 4C. Okay, now what I want the things which doesn't contain character O now. Which doesn't contain character O. Now what you're getting, which contains character O, means except these three, yellow, brown and orange, rest of all the colors should come. Got it? Doesn't contain character O in it. It is we are searching for both na O or O. Okay na? How to write? Or you can try all the four. Again, all these four as it is I'm copying, see. Now what do you want? Which contains or which doesn't contain? Actually, the contains method here, the return type of the contains method is bool. And you already know that anything executes when it is true. In a query, it executes when it is true. But what do you want? Execute when it is true now or false now? Is equals to, no need to write equal to true. I explained in C# classes already for you. True equal to true is true. No need any comparison again. But now you're comparing with the true or false. False is equals to false. Here also is equals to false. Rest of the three queries I'm commenting them. I'll show you. I'll just show you one by one. I'll explain. This is 20. Okay. Now what I should get? The colors which it doesn't contain character O, correct? Array, we got up all the 10 colors here. We got up all the colors. We are not getting the colors which it doesn't contain. Why? What is the mistake? This is the mistake. You are telling R, array, not R, here. Uppercase O should not be present, lowercase O should not be present. Understand? Huh? Uppercase O and lowercase O, both should not be present. Is it clear? Same now. Now you can try the same with index of also. You can try the same thing with index of also. With index of also we can try this. How? Is equals to -1. Array, equal, greater than or equal to 0 means existing. Not existing means -1. And or and. If it is existing, it can start from 0 or greater than 0. So that's where greater than equal to. Not existing, it is very clear for us, it is -1. So now you'll get the same output again. Is another style of writing. Okay. Third option. What is that? Array, just now I already clarified you this one. Array, without the bloody headache of and or, what you do? Is equals to false. Enough. Correct na? Same output only. Understand? Here also. What do you say? Equal to minus. Equal to minus 1. Are you clear? I shown you different queries to you, and now you just can write the queries. So the same thing can I do with imperative programming? Yeah, we can do with imperative programming also, yeah. But problem will be like, you need to write a lot of coding. If you try with imperative, you require to write a lot of coding now. But the coding is going to be very less in the declarative programming compared with the imperative programming. Okay now? Well, one thing I just want to explain, What's it? Guys, right now we are storing some values in the collection. We are storing some values in the collection now. Array or collection. Suppose you take a collection, no problem. What is it? Array or a collection. But all of you listen. As of now, you remember, first in the yesterday's example, I showed you integers. Today's example, I shown you strings. Array. This one I take an array. Can I take a collection also or not? Tell me. For example, look at this. List of int. Okay. Collection 1 is equals to new. List of int. And here you are storing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. List of string. Collection 2 is equals to new. List of string. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. It's a list of strings now. Correct? Now tell me, what is call1? Call1 is a collection of integer instances. Values are integers, na? A collection of integer instances. Call2 is a collection of string instances. We are storing string instances. Actually, the values what you have stored here, all these are instances of the class now. This is instance of the string class. Are you getting me? They're all string instances. Here we have all integer instances. Like this, we just tried to store it. Now integers, strings, what are all this here? All these things we are simply talking, these are all scalar types. These are all scalar types. Scalar types means can hold only one value at a time. Array. In other way, you can write like this. In other way, you can write like this. What's it? String city1 is equals to Delhi, comma, city2 is equals to Kolkata, city2 is equals to Mumbai, city4 is equals to Chennai, city 5 is equals to Bengaluru, and the city 6 is equals to Hyderabad. Okay, now? So you're just trying to declare a set of variables like this. You're trying to declare a set of variables like this. Afterwards, you are writing city 1, comma, city 2, comma, city 3, comma, city 4, city 5, and city 6. Array, both are same only, yaar. Just I'm trying to tell you, you write like this or you write like this, both are same. Understood? Both are same only. So here, you declared it like this and directly stored out the value. Here, you stored them in variables and afterwards stored in this. But here also, what is city 1? Instance of string class. Correct? If you go directly like this also, internally, that's instance only. No name, unnamed. It doesn't have any name, unnamed, but that's also instance. So the first list, call 1, is a collection of integer instances. Call 2 is a collection of string instances. I hope you guys are clear till now. Yes or not? So first one is the collection of integer instances and second one is a collection of string instances. Like this, we just have both the two things. String and integer instances. Integer and string instances. Integer string, both are scalar types or complex types? Scalar types, both are going to be scalar types. Correct? Now, string is a class. Can hold only one value. Now see, what I am doing in my application is, look at this. In my application, I wanted to define a class. What is the class? Customer. Customer is my entity. How many attributes are there? 5. ID, name, city, balance, status. Can I create instances of the customer now? Array, can I create instances of the customer? I am creating a set of instances here. I am creating a set of instances here. How many? 15 instances I created. Object initializers here. I'm using object initializers and initializing all my instances now. How many instances are created? 15. Okay. So you created 15 instances now, correct? What is string nice? String is a class. Predefined or user defined? Predefined, but class only. Now what is customer? Class. Predefined or user defined? User defined, but this is also class now. All of you observe what I am trying to teach you now, you know. Just like you said list of int. List of int. Int is a type. Just like you said list of string. String is a type. Now you can say list of customer. List of customer. Some name, any name here you like. I'm calling customers is equals to new list of customer. Okay now? Now in this, I can store C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Am I clear? What this contains? What call1 contains? Instances of integer type. What call2 contains? Instances of string type. Correct? Right? Same like that. What customers contain? Instances of customer type. What it contains is instances of customer type now. How do we access the values now? How do we access? Just a minute. Here in this context, look all of you, in the first case, if you want to access the values, how do you access? Call1 of 0. Yes or not? Means 10. Call1 of 0 is 10. Call1 of 1, 20. Call1 of 2, 30. Call1 of 3 means call1 of. Perfect clear? Here also. Call2 of 0 means Delhi. Call2 of 1. Kolkata. 2. Mumbai. 3. Means here also index. And when you use that, automatically you'll get the value now. Correct? Now come here. How do we access? Customers of 0. Customers of 0 provides access to C1. Correct only now? C1, understand, it's a scalar or complex type. It is scalar or complex type. Complex na, why scalar? Single value, multiple values. Multiple values. Okay, otherwise guys, here I'll change the name as call3. Call3. Now, all of you answer my question. Call1 of 0 is 10. Correct? Call2 of 0 is Delhi. These both are scalar. Now, call3 of 0 will provide you access to what? C1. And that is not scalar, that is complex. It doesn't provide access to all values now. It will provide access to C1. Under C1, you have the values, correct? How to access now? Watch. Dot ID. Did you follow me? This will provide you access to ID of customer 1. And this will give you access to name of customer 1, city of customer 1, balance of customer 1, status of customer 1. Okay? Without 0, if I write index, what I'll get? Not 10. Value pointed by index. Here also. Pointed by index. Same guys, here also we can use index. Do you understand? Till now I shown you working with scalar types. Yeah, now I'm showing you working with complex types. ID of the customer pointed by index. Pointed by name, pointed by city, pointed by balance, pointed by status. Are you clear? I'm talking with you only. Now you can start writing queries on. Oh, sorry. Here it is wrong. So here it is name. Here it is city. Balance. Status. And here it is next. Okay, now scalar types, complex types are the two varieties what we just have in this case. Clear? We can write queries on this also now. We can write queries on this. What do you mean? Array, watch. Suppose if I say, can I write a query on call one? Where? Okay, something. ARR, something. Call 10. Where call 10 is equals to from I in call 1. Select I. What I will get? All the integers where call 20 is equals to from yes in call 2 select s. What I'll get? All the strings. Okay. Same way where is equals to from C in call 3 select C. Come on guys. What is I? Integer. What is this? String. What is C? Customer. Are you clear? No, customer is a scalar type or complex type? Louder. Complex type. It is a complex type now. See here? Now you can write different things here. When I say C, I'll get all columns. But I want only selected columns. Now, new of C dot ID, C dot name, C dot balance. Did you understand? Yesterday I said you, array, select alias means all right now scalar. But we have one more thing, or new of. I'll explain you next class, I said you. Now you can understand now. New of. Now you have columns now. In your conditions, you can use columns. In the select result, you can use columns. Everything you can use. But yesterday, no columns. Wherever you want column name, in all places, what are you using? Alias name, that's all. But now you have a chance of using column names in all these places. Are you clearer or not? Let us try that. Let us try that, how we can work. Okay, watch. First, I am adding a class in the project. We'll name the class as customer. Customer is a class. I'll make it as a public class. Five attributes of the customer. Okay. Now, I will add another class now. Class 10. In class 10, I will create static void main, creating all the instances. How many? Some 15 instances we created. And in the previous case, you stored 10 strings. Now you're storing 15 customers. Day before yesterday we stored 5 integers. Yes, today 10 strings. Now 15 customer. Count is my choice. Now watch list of customer. Any name here, no issue. That's your choice. Basically, when you're typing anything, have you noticed anytime it will give you suggestions? It's telling customers will be an app name. Why? Array, a list of customers now. So what do you call? Customers. You can give whatever name you want, but still it is giving you a suggestion. Name it as customers. Is that clear? So name it as customer. So list of customers is equals to new list of customers. And now in this list, let us store all the values. How to store? C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, C12, C13, C14, and C15. Okay, now? Just going to store up all the values in this. Now, you got all the values stored under one list. You got all the values stored under one list now. Okay. What next? You can just go for, yeah, we got the values now. We can start writing queries on it now. You can start writing queries on it now. You can start writing queries on it. Watch it. Where call equals to from C in select C. And all of you can observe C is a customer. C is a customer. Okay. I want to print for each customer. For each customer in call. I'm just using a for each loop for each customer in call. Okay. What you write? Console.writeLine. Customer. Follow the cases carefully. Arey, yeah, this is a class name. This is the instance name you're given. Or if you're confused, make cut short. Something. Now I'm printing. And remember what is cust for every iteration? One customer instance will come now. Cust is one customer instance now. And when I was teaching you object-oriented programming, I taught you this. You cannot print an instance values directly. If you try to print the values of an instance, it will print you the name of the class, but not the values. In object-oriented programming, we already discussed on that. If you try to print, what is the output? See? We talked about this already. So how to see the values? If you want to see the values, you need to go to your class and override the toString method in the class to print the expected output. What to do? You need to override the toString method in your class to see the desired output now. So let us go to the customer class, override the toString method, public override toString. Okay, public override toString. Guys, I want to write one line of code only. Can I put a lambda operator and write up the code? Expression bodied members when you have a single line of code, no need curly braces. So see now, first value, ID. You're printing ID, or otherwise put a $sign here and we'll try to write with a $sign. Semicolon. Next, I want name. I want the name. How to get it? Name. Next, city. City. Next, balance. balance. Next, status. So now I'm overriding the two-string method. Because I'm overriding the two-string method, you will see the values now as expected. You're getting all the values now? Understood or not? Okay, earlier what you got? I got instance name, but I got values. I'm just getting the values now. So compulsory, that's all. I'm not teaching anything newly. I already explained all these things to you in your object-oriented programming. And see guys, what is customer, which type? For each int I, for each string s, same way for each customer. If you want, you can use var there. You want, you can use var there. What is this? This is the name, guys, name of my variable. I can give any name to the variable. Without again typing the class name, you can also say var. When you are using a for each loop, for each string s you write now, no need. For each var s you write. It works. Automatically it will recognize the type. Okay. So this is a query, what I am writing now to fetch the values. What it is going to fetch? All the values. Now see. Var call is equals to from C in customers. I want to arrange them in a sorted order based on their names. Based on their names. Order by C dot name. Select C. Hope you got it. Yesterday, what did you write? Order by C. That's all. But now, order by C means 5 attributes are there. What you want? Order by C dot name. You see now, all are arranged based on the names. What came first? Dev, Sunita. Okay. Where call is equals to from C in customers. Order by C dot balance. Hope you are clear. You are getting the balance. Highest value 47,700. Least value 6,300. Sir, can I get only selected columns? Yeah, you can. You can get selected columns also. Where call is equals to from C in customers. Here, all queries are same up to here. Previous example I shown you all queries are same up to here. Afterwards, you will be writing your clauses. What do you want? Selected columns. So select. This is select C. It is select star. No, I want some columns. New of. Open the curly braces. Tell the columns you want. I want C dot ID. I want name. And I want status. ID, name, status. Okay. So in this process, guys, suppose you wanted to give a different column name. Column name is status now. I want to change the column name. In SQL, we have an option to give alias names to columns now. How do you give alias name to a column? Column name as alias name. Correct? Yes or not? So if at all you want to give an alias name to any column, you give column name as alias name. For example, select ID, comma, name, comma, status from customer. So if you want to give alias name, you can just give as a new name for it. I'm giving the name as is active. I want to get this as my column name. I want to get this as my column name. Yeah, we give alias name. But guys, you never tried it. You never tried it. In SQL, you can give like this also. Try if you want. ID, comma, name, comma, is active is equals to status from customer. This is a new style of aliasing. It works in SQL also. But everyone will teach you only this process. But this is also an option available in SQL for giving aliases. For us, the first one will not work. Second one only will work for us. Got it? See the column name. It's not status. What is the column name? Exacto is a column name. Understood aliasing now? That's how. Okay. Next. Can I get the list of customers whose balance is greater than 25,000? I want to get the list of the customers whose balance is greater than 25,000. Okay. Where C dot balance, C dot balance is equals to 25 or greater than 25,000. Select C. Understood? I want to get the list of customers present in Hyderabad. I want to get the list of customers present in Hyderabad. Okay. What do you write? Where? Come on, faster. C dot city equals to Hyderabad. Select C. Okay. I want the list of customers in Bangalore. I want the list of customers in Bengaluru only when the balance is greater than 40,000. Array, list of customers in Bengaluru only when the balance is greater than 40,000. So what you say? And balance greater than 40,000 and operator. One record. Here two records, so it is only one record. I want the customers in Chennai. Where C dot city is equals to Chennai. You get only the customers in Chennai. Actually, I want the customers in Chennai plus the customers whose balance is greater than 40,000. Array, I want the customers in Chennai plus customers whose balance is greater than 40,000. I want both. Or C dot balance greater than 40,000. You want RAM whose balance is 47,700 now? Is that clear? Or otherwise 30,000. See that. Chennai 15,600 only, both are less. But see, John, Steve and Ram greater than 30,000 what they have in their accounts. And operator or operator, are you clear with using a where clause? Are you clear with a where clause here? Okay, so that's how you're just using a where clause. You cannot write everything like in SQL here. You can't write everything like in SQL. Okay, fine. So you just got it. Next, where clause and order by clause. Where clause and order by clause. Both these two. The next thing is group by clause. Array, right now, where and order by is shown you. Array, order by already on the top we used. Now, where clause. The next clause is group by clause. What is the group by clause? Group by clause, actually, you learned about group by clause in SQL. I want to find out now how many customers are present in each city. 15 records are there. How many customers are present in each city? Are you following me? What is the requirement? How many customers are present in each city? In each city, how many customers are present is what exactly I want now. Okay. In SQL, if you have a table called customer, and if at all you want to find it, this is how you write. Select city, comma, count of star from your table, group by city. Group by city. So when you write a query like this, what happens, all the records that are present in your table, your SQL teacher might have already explained you about this. All the records in your table will be divided into groups based on city. Means all the customers in Hyderabad will form one group. All the customers in Chennai will form one group. 6 cities are used. Delhi will form one group. Kolkata will form one group. Mumbai will form one group. Bengaluru will form one group. How many groups now? How many cities? That many groups. I have 6 cities, so 6 groups. After dividing into groups, next it will do what it will do, It will apply the group function, the aggregate function on each group. It will apply on the Hyderabad group first, gets the result. Chennai group gets the result. Delhi group gets the result. Like this, it will apply on each and every group and gets you the results now. Understood? So, now I don't have 30, I have 15. I just given this as an example, that's all. I have 15 records. What will do? Divides them into different groups now and find out the count. 3, 6, 5, 7, 5, 4, total 30. Now it will show you. What will show you? City. You ask it now? City. City. In the city it will come. What is this? Customers. What is this? Count of star. Given with an alias name, guys. Let's say alias name, what they given there. Customers equals to is an alias name now. So this is what it shows to. That's how the group by clause executes. What will happen first? The data in the table will be divided into groups based on the column specified in the group by. What the column in the group by? City divided. Next, the aggregate function is applied on every group and finds the result. And finally, it will show you the output. Now tell me, grouping is done based on which column? City column. We call that as a group key. We call that as a group key. Now what are you fetching now? Count. That is called as a group result. Not only count here, you can also fetch max of, min of, sum of, average of. You learned aggregate functions in SQL. You can apply all the aggregate functions. Now I used count. Same way you can say max, min, sum, average. I want the maximum balance in each city. I want the minimum balance in each city. I want the average balance of each city. I want the total balance of each city. I can. I hope it's clear. So this is how you use a group by clause in SQL. How to write a group by clause in LINQ now? Okay, watch. Carefully observe. Up to there all are same. Now which clause to use? Group by. Group by C dot city. Group by C dot city. Is that clear? Actually, when you write a group by clause, there are two differences here. There are two changes here. One change is in group by clause in LINQ. Between group and by, you're required to specify your alias name. Okay. Second change is in the last you should write into like this, into G. Means in SQL simply group by column name. Here it is not group by column. Group, alias name by column name into group name. So what is the meaning of this statement, you know? Divide the data present in C based on city into groups, into group. What is that? Divide the data present in C based on into groups. What is G, sir? G is the name of the group. You can give any name you like. G is the name of the group and you can give any name you like. What is the use of the name? I'll tell you. What next? Select new of. What do you want? I want city. What is city? Group key, right? That is how you should put. Group name G dot key. What do you want next? Group count, right? G dot count. That G is the name what I should use in my code now to get the key, to get the count. But I want to give an alias name here. It will show you the alias column name is key. No, I don't want key. What I want? City. And here column name won't come. So compulsory to give an alias name. Customers is equals to. Okay, so observe again. Array, up to here all queries are same. What did you write now? Group by class. How to write? Group, alias name, by column name into some group name. Next, select new of and just add this. What do you want? I want key and I want count. Okay, copy. Number of customers in each city. Are you clear? Same way, guys. Look here. I wanted to get max. You can call all aggregates now. Count, max, min, sum, average, everything. I want to get max. But in SQL, how do you write count, count of star? How do you write max, max of star? Huh? How do you write? Max of column name, not max of star. Count of star, max of column name. So here you're required to tell the column name. How? C, lambda expression, C dot. Array max balance I want. What do you want? Max of balance, the highest balance in each city. And this is not customers. What is this? Alias name is your choice here. Give any name you like. Max balance. Same like this. Can I get the minimum balance? What do you say? Min. Minimum balance in each city. I want to get the average balance. I want to get the average balance. Average. I want to get the total balance. I want to get the total balance. For total balance, what is the sum? You get all the aggregations there. Understood group by class? I shown you where class, order by class, and also group by class. Is that clear? Okay. So this is how you can just use the clauses. We have one more thing here, having clause. But I said you in the last class, we just don't have a having clause here. What we have? Where clause, group by clause, order by clause are the three clauses what we just have. Am I clear? Okay. So we'll just talk. Yeah, this is about how you use a link on your code here. This is about link querying. Okay. Yeah, let's stop here. We'll meet in the next session. Guys, Monday is a holiday because of Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Your next class will be on Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll teach you assemblies. Thursday, I'll start with TPL. And all of you are preparing for threading, multi-threading. By Thursday, when I start with TPL, you must be familiar with multi-threading. Okay, 2 sessions for that year maximum. We'll finish on Friday or Saturday. We'll finish up that one. Let's stop here, guys.
Recording stopped.